Hey guys, I'm Lily O'Reilly. This is Lily O'Reilly Reviews, and today I'm here to announce the winners from August's giveaway of a Driving Desires toy. So let's get to that, huh? Okay, so last month when I was unboxing a couple of Dread the Empire toys, I noticed that one of them bore a strong resemblance to a Driving Desires toy that was in my collection that had been discontinued. Since I'm not going to be doing a review on it, I decided to go ahead and give it away to, one of you. So I'm going to start up the comment picker and we're going to go to there. Cool? Okay, so as you can see, we've gone ahead and pulled up commentpicker.com, which is what I use to select random comments on my YouTube giveaways. We go ahead and scroll down. I've already preloaded it with the YouTube video URL. Duplicate comments don't count. We're filtering for a specific text, which would be the word Stromboli, which was, mentioned in the video. I got the YouTube comments. There were 102 unique commenters. So now we start the raffle and pick a winner. It appears that the winner for August's Driving Desires toy giveaway would be Gina, with her comment, "Holy moly, it's a Stromboli." Chef's kiss. So, congratulations, Gina. Kudos to you. I'm going to go find your comment and comment under it so that you know that you won. Please get me your address to lilyoreilly@gmail.com whenever you get a chance so that I can get that toy out in the mail for you. And if you've been paying attention, you should have noticed that my review of the Lee-Tin Dream double-ended pink cat wand also has a giveaway attached. So if you want to go ahead and comment on that, at the end of September, I'm going to be giving away a pink cat wand. As a side note, please check your spelling. Due to the fact that this website is spelling specific, if you misspell the entry word, you don't get an entry, and that really sucks. So, congratulations, Gina. I will, be handling that, and I'll see you guys next time. Be safe, be good to each other. Bye!